Alright, let's work some more order of operation problems here. Here we have one that says 6 times 5 plus 8 times 2. So we have three operations here. We have a multiplication, an addition, and another multiplication. So we need to decide what comes first. Remember, we are always going by, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That order of operations we'll use every single time. Well, according to this, the multiplication comes before the addition, so we need to do those first. Okay, so I'm going to multiply 6 times 5 first, which would be 30, and then I'm going to recopy everything else. Now, as you get better and better and better at this, you probably could do both of those multiplications at the same time, but I would say, especially at the beginning, make sure that you write out and only do one thing at a time, just to make sure you don't make a mistake. Okay, so now we're down to this problem, 30 plus 8 times 2, and again our multiplication comes before the addition, so that would be 30 plus 8 times 2 would be 16. And now we're down to an addition problem. So 30 plus 16 would be 46. So our answer would be 46. Let's look at one that's a little bit more complicated here. We have a lot of things going on in this problem. We have some exponents, we have division, parentheses, addition, exponent, addition, exponent. So again, according to our rules, we're supposed to do our parentheses and grouping symbols first. So we have this set of parentheses that we really should do before anything else. So I'm going to recopy and only do one thing at a time. 10 plus 15 would be 25. And then I'm recopying the entire rest of the problem. Now, once we've done the parentheses, next comes the exponents. And again, you could do these all at the same time, in each individual exponent, or you can write them out and do them one at a time. And I think that may be how I do it, just to make sure we don't make a mistake. So let's do the 5 cubed first. That means 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. And then I'm going to recopy everything else, only doing one step at a time. Now the 9 squared, which would be 81, and I'm going to recopy everything else. And now the 3 cubed, which would be 3 times 3 times 3, which is, 27, and I'm going to recopy everything else. Alright, so now we're down to our operations, our division, addition, addition. We've done all of our exponents. So next comes multiplication and division, left to right. So all we have here is division. 125 divided by 25 is 5. And I'm going to recopy everything else. We're done with all multiplication and division now. Now we're just down to addition and subtraction, which all we have here is addition. So 5 plus 81 would be 86, plus 27 would be 113. So our final answer there is 113.